Hello guys, welcome to my new video. So in this video we will prove this is equal to this. So how to prove? We know that firstly we choose left hand side. So a minus b cube. So we know that a square is equal to a into a, and a cube is equal to a square into a, and this is also equal to a into a into a. So I will write here a minus b square into a minus b, this property in this section. So we know that a minus b square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, and this is our a minus b. So first ofly I will multiply by this is our a cube, by this a b square, by this minus 2 a square b. Now this minus a square b, by this minus b cube, by this minus minus plus 2a b square. Now I will arrange to in order. So a cube minus b cube, after that we have right here minus 3ab square. So a square b, and this is also minus a square b, so it will be add minus 3 a square b. After that what remain? A plus ab square plus 2ab square, this is also plus 3ab square. Improvement. Thank you guys. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment also.